Hello world! In this video, we'll build a feature to delete posts. So first, as usual, open router.rb and a destroy in here. Destroy, save it. So next, let's change our controllers, post controller, and define a function for destroy. And so first, if post user current user. We check that the user has permission to delete a post, else, and if that post it belongs to the login user and post.destroy, it destroys successfully, will flash a notice that the post is deleted or deleted. Else, if delete not successfully, will alert that something went wrong. And if user not have permission, notice you don't have permission to do that. And after that, we redirect them to root path, and before they go to destroy, they should go to find post. Save it. So destroy need an ID to find a post to delete it, right? So next, let's customize a view. Open view, post, and post list. So in here, let's write it right here. Link to post path post method delete class margin left auto delete delete post icon margin left and right 0 and margin top and bottom auto do and inside where phone awesome icon is a far fa trash off, and this is the delete icon area hidden true, and we should have make this to display flex align items center and save it. And also I'm gonna copy this copy I'm going to show this in here after username, save it, deflex line items center, save it. Now let's see. Alright, refresh. Okay, we have an icon for here, and when you go to a specific post, okay, oh, I forget, that should be instant variable. Here, post, save it. Alright, now we're styling it a little bit. Open assets, die sheet, and at the end, let's try delete post icon color to 62626 and font size 20 pixel. Save it. Refresh. Alright, now let's test to delete one. I click delete and done. I delete it. And one more thing to do is I only want to display this delete icon on posts which belong to the login users. Now let's fix it by open our model. This should be post.rb, and let's write in here def is belong to user post.find by user id user.id id and save it. And the way we use it, so that post list, and before we print that, we're going to check if post is belongs to current user. We'll print this out and also copy it, save it, and back in show. Right, and here the same. And tab it in. Here is post. Alright, so how things work. So belong to is going to receive a variable, an argument, which is current user, and inside that function it will check that, or actually it will find a post with user ID is current user you pass in, and the ID here is the post ID itself, which is actually is self.id. Self here is the post, but you don't have to write self. We'll understand already. So if you find that post, so you are the owner of that post, right? And then you can display the delete icon. Alright, so that's all this video. See you next time.